Hello guys, um, I'm doing prevention for coccidiosis on chickens that when you see chicken that they start showing um, how do I say it, conditions of they look like they are sleeping. Most likely they have a bacterial infection. And the biggest culprit, uh, probably coccidiosis. So now I'm mixing for them a formula, uh, and antibacterial, okay, for them to use um, for 7 days. So the mixture, uh, this is uh, this is the antibacterial that can for the prevention and treatment um, of that. If you can see this, um, you have to give them for a week. That is like 7 days. The ratio, the ratio of that, you put it in water and then you give them for 7 days. You put 5 grams, 5 grams to 5 liters of water. 5 liters of water, depending on the number, you'll give them for 7 days. Now, for people who don't know, I can tell you how to differentiate 5 grams and 10 milligrams. If you take this for example, this is a tablespoon. A tablespoon measures almost and most likely vis-a-vis 10 grams. Now, a teaspoon, sorry, I don't have a teaspoon. A teaspoon is equivalent to 5 grams. But if you don't have a teaspoon, you can use a bottle top. A bottle top uh, has an equal measure of 5 grams. So when you have something that you need to mix dry and asks for 5 grams, if you have a bottle top, and this is standard, that is almost 5 grams, and this is it. So you just mix into the 5 grams into 5 liters of water. I had pre-added 2.5 liters, and then now um, I'll top it up and then shake it well, and then it will be ready to go. I'll take it to the chickens and then give them with their regular water, clean water each and every day.